I had shared a video showing my chili plants which are growing in 4-inch pots, and it has been 1 month since then, and most of them are having chilies at this moment. So I wanted to share that with you. These are all the plants that are growing in 4-inch pots. So currently I'm having 6 plants over here. Let's start with this. In last video, this was the plant which had most of the chilies. So this one still has chilies in it. Till last week, this plant kind of had only flowers and it was just starting to pollinate. And now it has a lot of chilies on it. So you can see some baby chilies over here. So even though this is a plant growing in 4-inch pot, right now you can see there are so many chilies on it. So if you count, there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and a lot of baby chilies as well. So there are 10 that has kind of grown out, and there are still small ones that are coming up. So the next plant, so rest of this did not have any chilies on them. So this one has nice and long chilies, so I'm planning to harvest them today. So this is kind of a tall plant, and even the chilies on them are slightly longer than this one. This is still growing. Now this is the plant which I had mentioned in my last video that I had pruned this plant, and I had to prune this mainly because it kind of wilted. All its leaves were dried and it was almost dead. So I had kind of pruned it from here, and it grew all these new shoots, and now it has nice chilies on it. So pruning was not really necessary in my experience, because I have one more plant which is not in 4-inch pot and I had not pruned it. So this is that plant which I had not pruned, and even this had got wilted along with this 4-inch, along with this plant growing in 4-inch pot. Even though I did not prune it, it still recovered back and it has got chilies on it. So now back to our plants in 4-inch pot. This one only has one chili on it, which is growing over here. So there is a tiny baby chili growing. So here is another plant. This one has red chilies. I did not harvest them on time and it kind of turned red. This is also about to turn red, and I will harvest them today only. And this is a new entry in my video. Even though I had this plant, but even this had kind of wilted when I had posted my previous video regarding the 4-inch pots. So at that moment this was kind of wilted, and that's why I did not show it, and I did not expect this to recover. So now this has recovered and it has chilies on it. So the size of the plants is not consistent, so I think depends on the seed. Even though all the seeds were from the same chili, I guess each of them has its own growth potential. So I hope you like this update on my chili plants growing in 4-inch pots, and mainly I just wanted to share that it is possible to grow plants in small spaces and you can still get chilies out of it. Especially so this 4-inch pots, they hardly require any space, so even if you have 1 or 2 plants, you can still have some chilies on it. Even though if you want to be self-dependent regarding chilies, then you will need to have more plants, but still, this one we counted, it has 10 chilies on it. So 1 pot 10 chilies, I think it's a good deal. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.